Hello, my name is Noah Shakade. I live in northern Israel and have a private pool for quite a few years now. 2 years ago, I had a Magen Eco Energy solar pool heating system installed. From that moment, we started to really enjoy the pool. Before the installation, we had roughly 2 months a year we could swim with reasonably warm water. Since having a solar system, our swimming season expanded to more than 6 months, almost 7, from April until winter sets in. Before purchasing the system, I researched and found 2 types of heating: electrical and solar. I didn't want to choose electrical heating because of the high electric consumption, the noise, and the fact that they are not environmentally friendly. The solar system is in fact green, using only the sun. I think I chose the best system for my needs. We are extremely happy with the Magen Eco Energy system. First and foremost, the system is very quiet. I can't hear it when it's working. I set the required temperature in the machine room and that's it. The temperature remains stable. As long as the sun is shining, the pool water temperature remains almost the same. Before we had the solar system installed, we almost never used the pool. It was too cold, mainly for the kids, grandchildren, and women. Today, we have no restrictions. We enter the pool anytime we like, especially at night. We swim almost every night. I regret not installing the solar pool heating sooner.